A monumental shift has just rocked the Vietnamese gold market. The government has issued Decree 232/2025 NDA-CP, officially ending the state monopoly on gold bullion production. For years, only one entity could produce gold bars, creating a tightly controlled market with limited choices and price gaps from global rates. Now, competition is coming. Multiple trusted brands will soon offer gold bars, giving consumers more options and likely narrowing the price gap with the world market. The State Bank of Vietnam will move from being the sole producer to a regulator, setting standards and ensuring fair play. This change is about transparency, progress, and aligning Vietnam with international practices. The new decree, effective August 26, 2025, is a blueprint for a more dynamic and resilient gold market. Licensed producers must meet strict standards, and all gold bars will be traceable to their source. The focus shifts from control to managed competition, protecting consumers and promoting fair trade. This is a new era for gold in Vietnam, one of opportunity, security, and greater value for everyone. The monopoly is over. The future of gold in Vietnam is open, competitive, and brighter than ever. Let's break down the core of this new revolution in the gold market. Decree 232/2025 NDCP ends the state monopoly and introduces licensed production. Qualified banks and businesses can now apply to mint their own gold bullion. This is expected to boost supply, stabilize prices, and close the gap with international rates. Large gold transactions, 20 million VND or more per day, must now be paid by bank transfer, not cash, making the market more transparent and secure. All licensed producers and sellers must keep detailed electronic records, connect their data to the state bank, and issue electronic invoices for every transaction. Every gold bar must be stamped with its weight, purity, and the unique symbol of its producer, ensuring traceability and accountability. Producers are legally responsible for quality and must publicly declare their standards and warranty policies. The definition of gold bullion is updated for a multi-producer market, and every bar is now traceable to its source. These changes bring Vietnam's gold market into the digital age, making it safer and more transparent for everyone. The new rules are about trust, security, and a modern gold market. The future is digital, competitive, and consumer-focused. Get ready for a smarter way to buy and sell gold. Who can produce gold bullion under the new rules? Only the most stable and reputable institutions. Applicants must already be licensed gold bullion traders, proving experience and legitimacy. Private businesses need at least 1,000 billion VND in charter capital. Commercial banks need 50,000 billion VND. All applicants must have a clean legal record and resolve any past violations. Strict internal quality control processes are mandatory, with secure facilities and regular audits by the state bank. The application process is rigorous. Detailed dossiers, financial statements, and business plans are required. The state bank's governor has final approval, ensuring only the most qualified entities enter the market. This multi-layered process guarantees that every new gold brand is financially sound and committed to high standards. Only the best will be allowed to mint gold, protecting the market and your savings. The bar is high, and that's good for everyone. The new regulations reshape how gold is made and sold in Vietnam. Every gold bar must be clearly marked with the producer's insignia, weight, and purity, ensuring full traceability. Producers and sellers must publicly list buy and sell prices at all locations and online, updated regularly for transparency. No more authorized agents. Licensed businesses must sell directly to consumers through their own branches. This tightens control, prevents fraud, and ensures compliance with identity checks and payment rules. Sellers must announce clear warranty and buyback policies, so consumers know exactly what to expect. The focus is on building trust and accountability, turning gold buying into a secure, transparent experience. After-sales service and product authenticity are now guaranteed by the producer. The new system puts consumers first, with clear rules and strong protections. Buying gold is now safer, simpler, and more reliable. The market is open, but the standards are higher than ever. Trust is the new currency. Welcome to the future of gold trading. The new decree also redefines gold import and export rules, linking Vietnam's market to the world. The state bank now licenses approved producers to import and export raw gold, ensuring a stable supply and market flexibility. The state bank can adjust import volumes to stabilize prices and respond to market needs. Jewelry and art producers can get separate licenses to import gold, but strict oversight ensures it's used only for their products. Exporting raw gold is generally restricted, but exceptions exist for surplus or special agreements. All import and export activities must be meticulously documented and reported to the state bank. This oversight keeps Vietnam's gold reserves secure and the market transparent. The new rules balance openness with control, protecting the economy and consumers. Gold flows are now legal, transparent, and tightly managed. Here's how to buy and sell gold legally and avoid penalties. Only purchase or sell gold bullion at licensed banks or businesses listed by the State Bank of Vietnam. Always check the official list online before any transaction. Buying from unauthorized sellers is illegal and risky. Be ready to show your ID. Identity verification is now standard, especially for large transactions. For purchases totaling 20 million VND or more in a day, payment must be by bank transfer, no cash allowed. Transfer funds directly from your account to the seller's official business account for a secure, traceable transaction. Always request and keep your electronic invoice. It's your legal proof of purchase and essential for warranty or resale. The invoice details your purchase and links you to the seller and the state bank. Following these steps keeps your investment safe and fully compliant. The new rules are simple: buy smart, buy legal, and keep your records. Gold trading is now safer and more transparent than ever. Protect yourself by following the law. The 20 million dong rule. Why bank transfers matter. Any gold transaction totaling 20 million VND or more per day must be paid by bank transfer, not cash. This applies to all purchases from a single seller in one day, no matter how many transactions. The goals stop money laundering and create a transparent, traceable payment trail. Bank transfers link every payment to a specific buyer and seller, making the market safer and more accountable. For consumers, this means extra security and clear proof of ownership. Transfers must go directly from your account to the licensed company's account, no third parties. Businesses are required to enforce this rule and will guide you through the process. This shift to digital payments protects your assets and ensures compliance. Embrace the change. Bank transfers are your safeguard in the new gold market. It's about security, transparency, and peace of mind. The future of gold trading is digital and safe. Where should you buy gold? Only at licensed, official establishments. Licensed banks and businesses are your safe havens. Always verify the seller on the state bank's public list. These sellers guarantee authenticity, quality, and clear warranty policies. Unlicensed sources offer no protection and put you at risk of counterfeit or low-quality gold. Always insist on an electronic invoice. It's your legal proof of a legitimate, compliant transaction. The invoice includes all key details and is automatically reported to tax authorities. This digital record is your certificate of ownership and compliance. If you ever need to sell or prove ownership, the invoice is essential. Refusing an invoice or accepting a handwritten receipt puts you at risk. Stick to official channels and demand your electronic invoice. It's a simple step that protects your investment and your rights. Buy smart, buy safe, and keep your records. The new gold market rewards those who follow the rules. The end of the state monopoly is a catalyst for a stronger, fairer economy. More producers mean more competition, better prices, and increased supply, benefiting everyone. Consumers get price stability and more choices, with gold prices closer to global rates. Businesses face higher standards, driving innovation and better service. Transparency and clear rules create a level playing field and a more trustworthy industry. The government can better monitor the market, fight illicit flows, and protect the economy. Smuggling is reduced, and the financial system is more resilient. Decree 232/2025 NDCP is a bold step toward liberalization and international integration. The new system empowers consumers and businesses, promising a stable, transparent, and competitive market. Vietnam's gold future is brighter, built on trust, competition, and integrity.